Hi, I'm Creighton with TORQ Coatings, and in today's video, we're going to talk to you about how to choose the right contractor. If you're getting multiple quotes, here's how to actually compare them. The first question you want to ask is, how are they preparing the concrete? Are they mechanically grinding it, or are they acid etching it? If they're not mechanically grinding it with an electric or propane machine, then they're not a professional installer, and the floor is not going to last. The second question to ask is, are their installers in-house or are they subcontracted? Some companies do not have in-house installers and they are subcontracting their work to a third party. I don't know about you, but personally, I don't like third parties to work at my home. I like to know that the company's installers are trained, vetted, and certified by them, and they're their internal full-time employees that actually take their career serious versus just being a subcontractor that's been given a work order. The third question to ask and thing to consider is, what warranty do they offer? And what does it cover and not cover? When it comes to warranties, is it 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, or is it a lifetime warranty? And are they telling you it covers everything under the sun? Because if they are, that's a red flag. So ask them what their warranty actually covers and does not cover, and make sure you have clarity on that before you sign a contract. And if a sales representative cannot answer that clearly, then they may not know what they're talking about. The fourth thing to ask them is, what materials are they using? Be aware of what kind of floor coating system they're actually installing. Is it an epoxy base coat and an epoxy top coat? Is it an epoxy base coat and a polyaspartic top coat? Or is it a polyurea base coat and polyaspartic top coat? There's lots of ways to install these floors. Make sure that you're getting the highest quality material on the market and that it's going to be installed once and done right. You want to make sure that you have a polyaspartic top coat and that they're doing a full flake floor and that they're not buying the product from some big box store. If that's the case, then usually they're probably someone that does it on the side, and this is not a full-time installer or company that actually installs a high quality system that's going to last. The last thing to ask and consider is, can you see recent local installs? Do they actually have jobs that they've done within your neighborhood, your local town, or neighboring towns where you could go see the install to see what the floor looks like, or pick up the phone and call a customer? Make sure they're a credible business with verifiable reviews online, but also you can see their work in person. If not, they're just traveling 2+ hours to come do the job, or it's an additional service to their company, you may want to think twice. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this helps you understand what to consider when choosing a contractor in the concrete coating industry.